Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. Hope you're all well. My name is Nikki, if you've not been here before. Right, my colours today. Liquitex medium magenta. This is my consistency. They're all mixed with just Australian Floetrol. And if needed, a little bit of water. This one is Holcroft Pool Party. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one. It's Deco Art Rose Gold. This ones in the big pots have been mixed a long time. I'm not sure why that's so bubbly. This one, I think it's Cyan by Liquitex. Again, it's been mixed up a long time ago, and I haven't written what it is. This one is Deco Art Extreme Sheen in Ruby. Again, lots of bubbles, but because it's just Liquitex, I can easily just torch the bubbles out. And another Liquitex in metallic gold. So I'm going to do a Dutch pour and use my Catalyst Wedge today. So as you can see by the mess, this is my second attempt. Yeah, I think my white is too thin and the colours really muddied together. And I also got, I wasn't going for pearl cells, but I got all these weird little muddy pearl cells. So I've made up quite a bit of this white, so I thought, well, I'll go again and add a lot more colour this time. And yeah, I think I'm going to get the sort of the pearl cells again, even though that wasn't what I was going for. But hopefully putting a little bit more colour down, it will help. And I've omitted the gold and the red because I think the red and the aqua together, they weren't reacting well together. And sometimes gold can be a bit weird when it's thin. It can kind of muddy your colours. It sort of acts a bit more like yellow. So I've just used the cyan, the turquoise, the aqua colour, and the magenta. Just stuck with those colours, and I know that those colours will play nicely together. And even though I wasn't going for the pearl cells, what I was hoping to do was a Dutch pour and then use my Catalyst Wedge. Yeah, sometimes when things don't go to plan, you can just play, see how you go. I'm not sure if I said at the start, but my this round, it's an MDF round from Mojo Fluid Art in Australia, in Queensland. She supplies them, and they're a really good price and good product with lovely routed around the edge. And I will put the link in the description box below where you can purchase them from in Australia. As I say, they're a really good price and nice thickness, and you don't need to prime them. This was my tester and I didn't prime it, and it has actually dried really lovely. So you can prime if you want to, but there is no need to. So I'll let you carry on watching and come back to you at the end.
I am sitting at this bar trying to forget all the fun we used to have. Even though I'm better and time has passed, now I wonder where your mind's at. In my dreams I pick you up, I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles, wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bitter my dreams, I pick you up. I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles. Wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bittersweet shine. I get what you need, I'll make you feel free. Be mine tonight and feel your blue sky within. All the trips we had, our adventures, all the waterfalls and the wild waters, hanging off the cliffs, counting all the shadows. And now we're in the shadows. I wanna feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bittersweet shine. I get what you need, I'll make you feel free. Be mine tonight and feel my blue sky within. I get what you need, I'll make you feel free. Be mine tonight and feel my blue sky within. Feel my blue sky within.
You can see what I mean about the edges, how they're nicely rotated. Ooh, blurred. But yeah, not what I was going for, but it's okay. I quite like those lines. I like that bit there. And the pearl cells aren't like normal pearl cells. It's just from the thin paint. I know I said my white was too thin, and I think my colours were too thin as well. It's been so long since I've done a Dutch pour without getting these pearl cells. I'm just making my paints way too thin. I've got to thicken them up and have another go. But yes, it's quite pretty. So yeah, if things aren't going the way you planned, just play around. You never know what outcome you might get. Okay. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and then you know when I put out a new video. And if you like it, please hit the like button and share. And everybody take care, stay safe, and thank you all for the lovely comments. See you soon, guys.